Bago magpainis sa kanyang upcoming kontrabida role sa Lavender Fields, magpapa-impress muna sa Italy si Janine Gutierrez para sa prestigyosong Venice Film Festival. E kung pagpapa-impress lang din ang kanyang special someone na si Jericho Rosales, may paharana sa kanyang Lola Pilita.
All-Star Fate.
On a high! At ready ng lubarga si Gawad Korean Best Actress Janine Gutierrez para i-represent ang Pilipinas sa prestiyosong Venice Film Festival na magaganap sa Italy from August 28 hanggang September 7. Ito lang naman ang oldest film festival sa buong mundo. At dito, ipipremiere ang much-awaited Love Diaz film, The Phantosmia. Pagbibidahan din ni Ronnie Lazaro.
I'm so excited kasi dream ko talaga na makapunta sa International Film Festival with Filipino film.
Sinayagan daw siya ng Team Lavender Fields, kaya a-absent muna si Janine sa grand promo ng show sa ASAP this Sunday. Super proud! At full support pa raw sa kanya ang co-actors at Dreamscape. Pero 1 week lang si Janine sa Italy at back to taping agad as Iris pagbalik niya sa Pinas next week.
Yung thank you talaga sa Dreamscape and sa cast ko ng Lavender Fields kasi super nag-message si Ate Jody and our prod na good luck and they wish me well at pinayagan nila ako, so thank you talaga.
Bago naman siya umalis, trending kahapon ang behind-the-scenes video ng kanyang mamita Pilita Corrales na nagdiwa ng 87th birthday. Nagkaroon kasi ng surprise serenade ng bagong special someone ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales para sa Asia's Queen of Song.
Oo nga, nakakagulat. It was so nice. Intimate celebration lang, like family and close friends.
Biniro naman si Janine if may susunod pa sa kanya sa Italy. Ang sagot niya,
Wala naman po yata. wala po. Siyempre may taping. Charot, nag-explain.
Of course, pupunta ka ng
Venice!
so your thoughts about, just leaving and going there?
I'm so excited kasi dream ko talaga na makapunta sa International Film Festival with Filipino film. So sobrang happy ako. And sobrang din yung pasasalamat ko sa Lavender Fields kasi pinayagan nila ako to leave for a week and be able to attend. So thank you talaga
So
sa Lavender Fields.
pag hinanap ka nila sa Sunday sa ASAP, ito yon.
Yes, opo. Unfortunately, I'm gonna miss the big promo sa ASAP. Pero grabe din yung thank you talaga sa Dreamscape and sa cast ko ng Lavender Fields kasi super nag-message si Ate Jody and our prod na good luck and they wish me well. At pinayagan nila ako, so thank you talaga.
Iba rin naman yung pride na na dadalhin mo sa bansa because you're representing us sa Venice Film Festival, which is one of the most premium international film festivals in the world. Backtrack lang tayo. When did you know about this? What was your first reaction nung nalaman mo mag-Venice ako?
Oh my gosh, actually may video ako nung nalaman ko na Venice yung pupuntahan. Tapos sobrang sumisigaw ako tsaka umiiyak, i-post ko mamaya. Pero kasi they didn't tell me agad. Parang sinabi lang na may festival yung film namin na Phantosmia with Direk Love. Tapos binigay lang yung dates, pero hindi pa daw ma-confirm. Pero syempre ginugol ko. Tapos ang lumabas is Venice. Sabi ko, oh my God, kung Venice to, grabe, sobrang happy ako. And then yun nga, when they confirmed na Venice, super excited talaga. And
You
very
filmed
happy.
this a while back already, tama ba?
We filmed this lang nung December and January.
Okay.
So, after nung Dirty Linen, gumawa ako ng film with Direk Love, which
Wow.
hasn't been aired yet. And then, parang 1 month later naman nung December, they asked me to do another film with Direk Love. So, syempre game ako. And that's this film, yung Phantosmia.
Grabe. What's it about? Kasi hindi pa namin nasa screen. We haven't had
Yes, Phantosmia. Starring Ronnie Lazaro kasi siya.
Oh, ito, short and sweet Venice trip to for you.
Yes, 1 week. So, I'll be attending the opening sa Wednesday and then yung premiere ng film namin sa September 2. Tapos uwi na the next day para makapag-taping na ulit ng Lavender Fields.
So, what did your mom say and your lola?
super happy sila for me. Kasi alam naman ni Mama na sobrang na-enjoy ko din talaga gumawa ng pelikula. And it's been a dream of mine to, yun nga, attend these big festivals.
Happy birthday to your lola.
Yes.
How was it? Nag-trending ka na naman.
Ha, talaga?
Yeah, sa Twitter.
Bakit?
Kasi kinatahan daw ni Echo si...
Oo nga, nakakagulat.
Oo. Pero at least yung fans mo, they're on their toes. May
Talaga?
video sila.
Oh my gosh.
How was
Yes.
it? How was the celebration?
It was so nice. Ano lang, intimate celebration lang, like family and close friends. And first time din namin na makapag-party for Mamita. I think the last one was like 2018 pa.
Wow.
So she just turned 87 and
I thought it was 85. Akala nila naman.
Oo nga eh. Actually,
87
baka patayin ako ni Mamita kasi ang press release niya 45.
Ay! Oo nga.
87? Secret ba yun?
Alam ko secret.
Talaga? Ha?
Kahit ako sinusulat ko.
Ah, ganun ba?
Oo,
87 na siya eh.
Pero ikaw nag-reveal mo yung 87.
Oh, pero mukha namang 45.
Oo naman, di ba? Her moves, di ba?
So nice and sobrang grateful ko kasi sila Sir Gary and Tito Martin and si Miss Dulce, they performed for Mamita. And pati si
and si
Mamita
Echo.
naiyak.
Oo.
Si Echo.
Ano ba yun?
Si Lolo Elvis. Kumanta din siya for Mamita. So
Wait
it was
lang,
so
pero
nice.
ano ba yun? Planado na kumanta rin nasa lineup si Echo.
Wala! Siyempre jamming na yung sa dulo pagkatapos ng mga singers. So,
Ano naman nangyayari doon sa plano mo lang about your lola?
anong
Sa
plano po? Yes. Opo, tuloy pa rin. So,
Nakakuha ka na ng pandings? Kasi di ba...
ay, wala pa. Hindi pa kami umaabot sa ganon. So, after Venice, yun naman po yung tatrabahuin ko. Pero we've been able to shoot some footage of her life. Like, yung birthday niya ngayon. And some snippets of her at home lang on a normal day.
Oh, wow.
Tapos, syempre, kukombine namin yun with her archives from
More
her
fun,
decades
etc.
of her
Artista,
career.
singer kasi siya talaga.
Oo naman, icon. And is it under your production?
Yes, kami yung magpo-produce.
Congrats.
But,
What's the name of your production?
ay, wala pa. As in, ano pa lang. Ako, me, myself, and I.
Okay.
Ito yung part ng mga produce mo. Kasi the last time we talked to, parang you're producing na rin yun. So, isa to.
Yes. Ito yung first ko talaga na gagawin. And then, so far, we have our director pa lang, si Baby Ruth Villarama. She did Sunday Beauty Queen.
Oh yeah, wow, what a
one of the
beautiful
premiere.
Title already.
Wala pa.
Super baby pa.
Yes,
Kumbaga,
super baby
oo.
pa. Parang footage pa lang and like super initial stages.
Oh, and congrats. We'll see you when you get back.
Thank you so
Wala naman
much.
susunod sa Venice, ah.
Wala naman po yata.
Yeah, grabe yata.
Wala pa. Siyempre may taping.
Oo.
Charot. Explain.
Oo, uy, congrats. Thank you.
Thank you. One more